In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share an event from a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into Facebook on facebook.com. From the left side navigation menu, open your Facebook business page. This will take you to the main view of your page, where you can manage your content and access page features. Once your business page is open, look for the Events tab. In many cases, you will see it directly in the page menu. If it is not visible right away, click the More option to expand the list of available sections. Then select Events from there. This will open the list of events connected to your business page. Next, find the event that you want to share and open it. This will bring you to the Event Details page, where you can review the date, time, location, description, and other event information before sharing it. Below the event details, click the Share button. Facebook will then show you several places where you can share the event. Depending on your account and page settings, you may be able to share it to your Facebook feed, a Facebook group, a friend's profile, or through Messenger. Choose the destination that fits your needs. After selecting where you want to share the event, Facebook may give you the option to add a message. If that option appears, type a short message to go along with the event. This can help give context to the people who will see it, but it is optional, so you can leave it blank if you prefer. Before posting, take a moment to review the sharing destination and the audience settings. This is important because you want to make sure the event is being sent to the correct place and that the privacy or visibility settings match what you intend. When everything looks correct, complete the action by clicking Post, Send, or Share Now. The exact button text may vary depending on the sharing option you selected. Facebook will then publish or send the shared event to that location. Finally, check the destination where you shared the event to confirm that it posted successfully. This helps you verify that the event is visible and shared as expected. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.